Welcome to our music theory test series. In test number 1, you'll get to challenge yourself to identify the treble clef notes on the staff, and by so doing, you'll enhance your music theory skills for sure. But don't worry, the answers are provided right at the end of the video. This is perfect for beginners and music enthusiasts like you. If you haven't checked out our playlist of music theory quizzes, click on this link. If you love music quizzes and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on our music theory quizzes. Question 1. What do you call this clef? A, the G clef, B, the treble clef, or C, both of the above? Question 2. What is the name of this note? C, A, or G? Question 3. What is the name of this note? B, E, or A? Question 4. What is the name of this note? D, F, or A? Question 5. What is the name of this note? E, D, or C? Question 6. What is the name of this note? A, D, or C? Question 7. What is the name of this note? B, G, or A? Question 8. What is the name of this note? G, C, or A? Question 9. What is the name of this note? D, E, or C? Question 10. What is the name of this note? D, F, or B? Question 11. What is the name of this note? C, A, or F? Question 12. What is the name of this note? A, D, or G? Question 13. What is the name of this note? F, E, or C? Question 14. Which of the notes below are both C's? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Question 15. Which of the notes below is G? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Question 16. Which of the notes below is B? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Question 17. Which of these notes are both E's? Question 18. Which of the notes below are both D's? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Question 19. Which of these notes are both G's? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Question 20. Which of the notes below are both F's? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Question 21. What word do these notes spell? Question 22. What word do these notes spell? Question 23. What word do these notes spell? Question 24. What word do these notes spell? Question 25. What word do these notes spell? And our last question for this quiz is question 26. What word do these notes spell?